Welcome to my channel. HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E Setup Troubleshooting. Step 1. Unbox the printer. Carefully remove the printer from the box and take off all protective tape, plastic, and packaging materials. Place the printer on a flat, stable surface near a power outlet. Step 2. Connect the power. Plug the power cable into the printer and a wall outlet. Press the power button and wait a few moments for the printer to start up completely. Step 3. Install the ink cartridges. Open the ink access door and insert the HP ink cartridges that came with the printer. Push each cartridge in until it clicks securely into place, then close the door. Step 4. Load paper. Pull out the paper tray and adjust the paper guides. Load a stack of plain paper into the tray, then slide the guide so they fit the paper without bending it. Step 5. Complete the initial setup. Use the printer's touchscreen to choose your language, country, and other basic settings. Follow the on-screen instructions until the setup process is complete. Step 6. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Open the wireless settings on the printer, select your home Wi-Fi network, and enter the password. Once connected, the Wi-Fi light should remain steady. Step 7. Install the HP Smart App. Download the HP Smart App on your computer or mobile device. Open the app and follow the instructions to add your HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E and install the latest printer drivers. Step 8. Print a test page. After the setup is finished, print a test page to make sure everything is working correctly. If the page prints clearly, your printer is ready to use. Step 9. Troubleshoot common problems. If the printer is offline, won't print, or can't connect to Wi-Fi, restart both the printer and your router. Also, check that the printer is connected to the correct wireless network and that the ink cartridges are installed properly. Step 10. Keep your printer running smoothly. Regularly update the printer firmware. Use genuine HP ink cartridges, and clean the printhead whenever you notice faded or streaky prints. These simple maintenance steps help keep your printer working reliably for a long time. Thanks for watching.